One thing is for you to have a clear direction of where you are going to and stop beating around the bush. This was my story. In 2021, I think that was when I stopped my teaching job. I was doing my master's then. I kind of trying to build my career in IT. I'm a computer science graduate, so I was trying to go back to my field. So I enrolled in data analysis with UTIVA then. You know, when you're learning something for the first time, it will look so strange and you might not really understand the details. So I learned Power BI, SQL, MySQL, and all of that. In 2021, I enrolled again into another data school that was quantum analysis. I did their projects, did their internship. It was becoming familiar and I was liking the whole thing. But along the line, I was distracted. Then I was seeing so many things online, had to make money online. I wish I wasn't distracted anyway. I also took advantage of that. Then I instead of me to learn further in my analysis. Moreover, I am working in the sales department and not what really happened was that I did not really have full time to implement all that I have learned as a data analyst. So there's something that if you learn something and you are not implementing it, the chances of you forgetting all you have learned will be there. Exactly what happened to me. Over the time, I would be like, I would like to go back to my field. So in the process, because of the nature of my job, being a field salesperson, if I get back home, I'm already tired. Then I started 2022, 2023, 2024. I was doing affiliate marketing. I also have an offline business, an online business I do. I'm also into beddings and interior. So throughout last year, I was just having this month, I want to do data analysis. Next month, I want to learn Google ads. Next one month, I want to learn Facebook. I was distracted. There was no focus. I wasn't having any focus. So this has been the battle. Money is not a problem. This has been a battle that there's this piece I was not having because it's not actually what I want to do. So every prayer I'm praying, I always ask God for clarity. 2026 came. I was like, should I start beating around the bush? All the thing I did last year, I cannot say, okay, this is the skill I learned. This is what I achieved in my career path. So I traveled for vacation to UK in February. Even while I was there, I bought a course on Facebook automation, that is using faceless YouTube Facebook automation. That's okay. Since I already have a YouTube channel that is up to 1,000, let me just see if I can turn it to a faceless YouTube channel and get it monetized. I bought a course. I read it like 2 to 3 days. I left it. Let's not forget all this while I was already buying courses. You know, one thing about you always be passionate to buy course, but for you to go through it is another issue. So what happened that as I came back from vacation, I was like, I can't continue like this. Is either I face it or I face it. So I have to tell myself the truth. Okay, drop every other things you're doing and have one focus. So March last week, my spirit agreed to go back to my data analysis. I'm actually good in data analysis, but it's just that I don't have opportunity to implement all that I know, because I know my place of work, they always come to me, Rita, help me do this, Rita, help me do that, which is fine. So what am I doing this video? I'm doing this video to tell you, watching me, that this young lady here has, should I say, I've discovered my path. I am going back to relearn my data analysis. I'm not going to enroll in any other course because I already have recorded class of 3 academies. So I'm not going back to go and enroll any new one. All I need now is discipline to go back through those courses. If possible, use YouTube or get other unpaid calls or other mentorship. Yes, I think what I need now is mentorship. So why I'm making this video is that going forward, you'll be seeing some data analysis videos on my page. I want to build publicly. What really affected me then was that after I finished learning, I did not implement. I applied for job then I didn't get. So it's just as if that knowledge is sleeping somewhere. So what I want to be doing now, even as I am revising and going back to relearn analysis and learning new things in data analysis, I'm going to be building it on my page. Yes, if I learn lookup, VLOOKUP today, I'll come and do video about that. You will learn from my page also if you are aspiring data analyst. So what I'm making here now, I don't want to learn again and dump it. I'll be learning and be creating content with it. So if you want to learn data analysis or you want to watch me grow in this field of my new decision, I would like you to subscribe to my page and also to my YouTube channel. I'm actually building on TikTok and on YouTube so that I'll see how the progress goes. I promise I'm not going to give up just like I've done in other skills that I've learned over time. So with time, let's see how this goes. By God's grace, maybe the job might come. It might be useful for me in the future. So don't be surprised when you see analytics videos on this page. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.